Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy LQ4, man. Just got back from getting an inspection done on the rim. Just got back from getting an inspection on the box. So guess what's next to get an inspection? Oh, cut dog. Let's get into it.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It is your boy LQ4, man. Thank you for tuning in, watching the channel, man. Check this out. See this tarp over here? Tarp, that corner. It got some car shit up under it. It's the next phase for one of these cars. So if you want to see what's under that tarp, tell everybody. Go subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. At 10,000 subscribers, I can get the tarp out the way. I can get my air compressor, a big boy one that I want. So if they in the car stuff, tell them to come subscribe to the channel. LQ4. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, nigga, Clubhouse, Yo House, nigga, whatever it is, I'm there. So get it in. All right, so as y'all know, the pandemic had hit. You know what I'm saying? State of Texas gave a window of or a grace period to not have to have your registration done or your inspections. As long as you still had insurance on the vehicle, you was good. You was in the clear. Well, on December 15th, that was waived. So now it's back to business as usual. However, they are giving you, I believe it's 90 days to become compliant and get your registration and all that done. So, we need what you call? What's that I'm looking for? Oh, we need an inspection. First, you gotta get your inspection done. Then from there, after you get your inspection done, then you gotta go get your vehicle registered. When they register your vehicle, they pretty much looking for things such as make sure your mirrors are there, make sure your fucking horn works, turn signals, brakes, etc. So in this video, I'm just gonna do like a little pre-check, make sure all my shit is right before we go up here and get our inspection. Because prior proper planning prevents piss poor performance. I don't think we're gonna have no issue though. So let's just walk around the vehicle, make sure we got what we need to get. All right, now this video is not gonna be a guide of what you need to pass an inspection. That's not what this video is. I'm just going off the dome of what I recall or thinking that you need from all my years of getting inspections done. So, of course, they're gonna check for your high beams, low beams, turn signals, check, make sure that your mirrors are there. 1, 2, 3. I think actually in Texas you can get away with 2 because we were able to get away with 2 in the review. And then, check for the tail lights, brake lights, reverse lights, all that good stuff. So, yeah, that part. So let me go ahead and get a crunk up. We'll check them lights, etc., and get on our way. Alright, so all lights seem to be working. We're good to go. So what I am, since we don't have a radio in this bitch, we're gonna use this Bluetooth speaker. Be real hood with it. Real hood with it. So you set it right there or you set it right there? It don't matter because we ain't gonna barely be able to hear that shit anyway. So cut y'all back on after we done with this. Hey man, them gas station lights hit different. Them gas station lights hit different. Gonna go and take it down the road. Had to stop at the package store, corner store, whatever you want to call it. I gotta get that handle ASAP. Gotta get that handle ASAP. All right, finna go and try to get us a little pull in. Hope we don't get pulled over. Seat belts, buckle up for safety. But them LEDs hit different, boy. Oh shit. Gotta go with that fuck shit. Taken care of ASAP. Go ahead and widen this thing out a little bit. Pretty sure that gauge ain't right. Could be, but who knows? A little bit of backfiring going on. Hate me for this. Oh shit, son. Tell it, boy, that sound like some big truck shit when they pull up. I'm trying to tell you. What is that? It's them thrushes. It's them thrushes. Try not to get on it all the way in the neighborhood. Alright, we gotta man.